Video is an unboxing of a christianbook.com. I've got some good educational Christian products in here, I'm sure, because I know what I ordered, but let's see what's in here right now. Let's open it up. Okay. So I think the first thing we've got here is some packaging. And we have, let's start out by just getting it all out, and then we can look at a little bit more in detail in a minute. 6th grade, Winning the Race by a Positive Action Curriculum. So that's a Bible study. We have Chinese in 10 minutes a day. And that's a digital download / workbook. We've got Spanish in 10 minutes a day, so it's written just the same words as the Chinese, but same idea, digital download workbook. Okay, let's see. 5th grade, Possessing the Land, another Positive Action Bible curriculum. And 4th grade, Building Life Castles, Positive Action Bible curriculum. So we have a 4th, a 5th, and a 6th grade right here. Okay, we've got Making Brothers and Sisters Best Friends, How to Fight the Good Fight at Home. So this is sort of a read aloud for the kids in the evening, probably. I can't wait to get into this. It looks very interesting. I don't know, I haven't read it yet, so we'll have to get into that soon. And we have the Apologia, Astronomy, the Junior Notebooking Journal, and of course, I believe we have some more here. The Astronomy 2nd edition book, it goes with that, and a CD that we can listen to the textbook being read off. And of course, we have some magazines and those kind of things in here. And some more packaging. So this is actually my little unboxing of christianbook.com. And I guess we'll look at things a little bit more in detail here if you're interested. Okay, we got the CD. Let's go ahead and look kind of in the book here. See if I can hold it properly. That kind of gives us an idea here of what's in the book. I know a lot of homeschoolers use this, and I'm excited to try it for the first year. So. And then, of course, there's a notebooking journal that goes with it. Looks like there's a crossword and some mini books, some vocabulary words. So that looks interesting. Okay, Making Brothers and Sisters Best Friends. Let's just look real quick at the beginning of this. The table of contents here. Home Sweet Home in Crisis, The Chance of a Lifetime, Skunks and Mothballs, Problems Come and Problems Stay, Peace Treaties in the Living Room, and a Home Survival Kit. I have no idea what this is all about, but it looks very interesting. I think, from what I have read, this was written by a brother and his sisters on about how to get along with your brother and sister and why that is a blessing. So looking forward to sharing that with my boys, who are very, very good friends, but they do fight. And so this is very interesting to see, what's in there. And of course, I've gotten this Positive Action Bible curriculum. I haven't seen a lot of reviews online, but I saw this on Christian Book, and I really thought it was very interesting. It almost seemed like an adult style type Bible study, but for the actual grade level. So let me flip through it real quick for you. Looks like there's different activities, questions after reading some scripture. All right, so that is 4th grade and 5th grade. Let's see. Looks like there's some crosswords and the story of Gideon. Israel rejects God. There's some vocabulary. Jonathan, a true friend. And you know, it's interesting. It does go through both the Old Testament and the New Testament. And then as they get into 6th grade, which we'll get to the 6th grade one right here, they get a little bit more in depth, I think. Learning to stand alone. So it talks a little bit more about the Christian walk, greed, so separation from worldliness. So anyway, I'm really interested in trying these out and making them part of our curriculum, and I would check out more at christianbook.com. Although they aren't sponsoring, nothing sponsored by christianbook.com. Okay, so Spanish. Now, I know there's lots of Spanish and Chinese programs out there. What was attractive about this is some of the mini lessons that were just pared down to 10 minutes a day for my sons and my husband, because they're both trying to learn. And then, of course, some of these words that can be put up in your home and little flashcards that are already provided. But they do have worksheets, and then also you can listen online. So if you're not quite up to par with doing the worksheets, it looks like you can still listen online. And so I think it's a nice transition between some of the programs. You can work at your own pace. And we actually do Spanish and Chinese, trying to learn the English word and then what it is in Chinese and Spanish together. And that just kind of gives us a well-rounded language study. So here we go. It's really the same words, same thing. You can see this was the same page that was near the cards. And so it'll be interesting. Well, thank you for joining me. If you'd like to learn more about some of these books, I'd check out christianbook.com. If you'd like a list and some comments, you can visit my website at www.trainmupministries.com. And I have a blog there with some information about these products and a lot more stuff available at that website, including some other Christian character books and things like that. And if you're interested in seeing more, please hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much. Have a great day.